What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be driving the 2024 Toyota GR86 Premium Edition. It's a 6-speed manual and it looks really nice. It's got exhaust on it too, so it's got a modified exhaust. We're gonna take it out for a spin. It's a very annoying sound. It's very low to the ground, right? Oh, that belt chime is so annoying. This is definitely nicer than the Honda SI and the Mazda Miata. It's got a better cabin. It's got like Alcantara type material, right? Mm-hmm. You have heated and cooled seats. It's a little tighter. That's good. That's me driving. And this thing vibrates a lot. Maybe it's the exhaust. But it's a very very small steering wheel. This definitely has more of a go-kart feel than the other vehicles that I've driven in a manual. Why is it vibrating so much? Right?
Yeah, it does vibrate a lot. Maybe
Vibrating a lot.
The motor?
I don't know if it's the exhaust or what he did to it, or whoever had this before me, what they did to it.
What
but
year is this?
2024.
And they have this type of steering in it?
Yeah, it's a little outdated, but
Very outdated, I think.
clutch is not bad.
Oh, it's touchscreen.
It's touchscreen, a little outdated. I'm not sure if it has Apple CarPlay. I'll have to check. I like the seats though. It's like Alcantara seats type. I mean, I like this more than the Mazda Miata for sure. I like this more than the Miata.
Yeah.
And I also like this more than the Honda SI. This is a nice little cabin.
I feel like the outside is nicer than the inside.
The outside does look nicer than the inside. But for somebody who's around 5'9", this is a very nice distance from the clutch from my legs. And you know, you have your mirrors adjusted perfectly, and then you should be good. To go straight and then turn right at the light. Or no, if I turn right, I'll end up at the Toyota dealership.
No, at the other light, and then go down and come back.
than it's a very tight fit. I like this. The exhaust isn't bad. It's just a little more rowdy than I would like, but
Yeah, you can tell they did something.
this is equivalent to, this is the same thing as the Scion FRS and the Subaru BRZ. This is the Toyota GR86, which I like it.
I like the outside. I'm not a big
The downshifts are crisp.
I'm not a big fan of the interior. Don't cause too much disturbance, please.
That thing sounds crazy though. What the hell? That sounds crazy. My butt is warm.
Oh, you know what? It's only heated.
It's only heated seats, so not cool seats. It's only heated. This is a CBR. Man, that sounded nice. The exhaust sounds crisp on this car. Damn. Let's see what it sounds like in the with the volume, with the windows down. This is a fun car. It for sure is a fun car. This is the third car I've ever driven manual. The exhaust is nice. The exhaust is clean on this car. Why don't you just hold that?
No.
It'll fall off.
No, just leave it up
I'm still getting used to this whole manual thing, but I don't even know how to get back.
there. Turn around.
I'm good. The church signals don't even stop on their own. Very rowdy car, right? Makes it very rowdy. Yeah, I don't think it even has CarPlay, does it? It's gotta have a CarPlay. Yeah, it does have CarPlay.
Why don't you go out and come out and go back?
What do you mean?
Like go this way, make a U-E and come back.
Or why don't I just go straight and make a U and come back? maps in.
This next light, turn right.
Turn right?
Yeah. Flip right here.
See the downshift.
4 lanes. I like the nozzles, but the screen is just very empty. The push button is cute.
I mean, it's a smooth ride if it wasn't for my shifting. This is only the 3rd car I've driven in a manual, so I'm still getting better at it. I don't own a manual, so I don't really get that much practice, but better at it.
Get guns.
Otherwise, driving a manual is really fun. I like it. This car is really nice. I think out of the Honda Civic SI, the Mazda Miata, and oh, I lied. I've driven the Honda Civic SI, the Mazda Miata, and the hatchback version of the sedan, the hatchback version of the 3. I like this one the most, though. It's definitely the more fun one. I just don't know why the turn signals don't stop when you switch. I think this is broken. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the GR86 and how you like the cabin. Right? Like, the turn signals don't stop after you switch lanes. You gotta manually end it.
Not this light, but the next light right.
Okay. It's too many lights. We just cruising in 6th gear. Skip like all the way to 3rd gear. Oops. sounds nice. The exhaust does sound nice. Can't even lie. I like this. I'm digging it, guys. I'm digging the GR86. It's easy to speed in a manual. It's so easy to speed. You're so caught up with switching gears and all that, it's easy to lose track of how fast you're going. But no, otherwise I'd have to say it's a very smooth clutch. Smooth ride, except for this loud exhaust. I think I wouldn't get such a rowdy exhaust on it because it's so small, but it's fun. What the hell? It's fun, for sure. It's a Toyota, so it's reliable. It's still in warranty, so I'd have to get this turn stock fixed. The steering wheel makes it feel like a go-kart for sure. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below what you guys think about the GR86. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on my future uploads. I think all around it's a great car, fun car to drive. I'm gonna get a little bit more of the interior. So this part of the car is Alcantara type material. So are the seats. They're like bucket seats with Alcantara. Bucket seats, Alcantara. And then you have this knob right here. You have your AC controls here. AC mode. Okay, so this is the AC mode. And then your infotainment system. This looks aftermarket. I'm not sure if this is stock or aftermarket, but it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you have your heated seats controls here. Tiny rear
Very tiny
space. You're not going to be able to fit a lot of people in the back. 2 cup holders, a USB, an auxiliary port. Pretty basic. I mean, it's a fun car to drive. For sure, a fun car to drive. I would definitely get this over the Honda Civic SI and over the Mazda Miata. But yeah, again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one.